We've talked about the simple algorithms on multi-way tries, the insert, find, and remove algorithms. So let's also talk about some cooler algorithms we can do on a given multi-way try. So first, I can iterate over the words in my multi-way try in ascending order very easily. All I have to do is traverse via a pre-order traversal where at any given node, if there's multiple children, I would iterate over the children in increasing order as well. So for example, in this tree, I would do a pre-order traversal, start here, I visit. Here I have two options, N or R. I would iterate over them in increasing order. So I would go N, and then later I would go R. And the moment I visit a word node, I would just output the word that is represented by the path from the root to that word. Similarly, I can iterate over the words in descending order by doing a post-order traversal, where at any given node, I iterate over its children, that says over its children in descending order. So I do a post-order traversal, but for example, at this node, I can either take the N or the R route. I would iterate over the children in descending order this time. So I would go R first and then N. Similarly, I can iterate over the words in my multi-way try in increasing order of length by just doing a level order traversal. Super easy. Just A, then I go N, output it as a word node, R, output as a word node, D, output as a word node, T, T. So very easy to do, just a level order traversal. And lastly, it's very easy for me to implement an autocomplete functionality. Basically, given some prefix, what are all of the words in my multi-way try that this is a prefix of? So for example, let's say I asked autocomplete for the string A. Well, all I have to do is first perform the find algorithm on my given query, and then I just have to do a traversal from the node I end at. So for example here, let's say I'm doing autocomplete given a query of just the string A. I start at the root. The current letter is A. I have a child labeled by A. I go down one. My word is done. My current node is here. Now I can do a tree traversal at this node. And actually, I could do any of these three traversals I've already dictated. I can do a pre-order traversal, iterating over my children in ascending order, to iterate over the autocomplete words in ascending order. I could do a post-order traversal starting from this node to iterate over the words that are completed in descending order. And I can do a level order traversal from this node to iterate over them in increasing order of length. Similarly, I could do autocomplete with the prefix AN. So I start at the root. A, I traverse down. N, I traverse down the N edge. Then do a traversal starting at this node. So I would output AN, AND, and AND.